I forgot to do a recording of today's weekly episode of The Gaff. So this is the end of shift conversations. What the blood clot people are coming in here and we close at 1 o'clock, at 2 o'clock. Do you know what I mean, Lee? Do you know what I mean? Lee? You know what I mean?
Yes, Fred.
See, acting like we haven't just had this conversation, and then I remember
yes,
we
Fred,
hadn't done
speak like that up here. So can you tone it down a bit, please? Thank you very much.
Oh, what the blood clot you're talking about?
Yes. I don't know what that means either, so you'll need to translate that in English. Thank you.
Do you want me to translate it into Brummie? What's the blood clot are you going on about?
Yes, I still don't know.
Do you not know what a blood clot is?
No, I don't.
It's when your blood congeals together and clots, I think, or something like that. Anyway, yeah, there's been no episode this week. We were busier, but we did have a the Man City guy, and he brought his Man City stuff in to try and make Lee jealous that he was Man City and Lee's Man United. He supports. I know that just looks like end Streatham, but it's Man United. Say hi, Lee. Say hi to your fans.
Peace.
Black Lives Matter.
Yeah.
Do Black Lives Matter?
Brown Lives Matter.
Did you know that? Not just black people's lives, Black Lives Matter, but brown lives matter. Here's the brown people, the Karamak people. You're more caramel than you are brown. Like, you like toffee. You're toffee.
Yeah, that's me.
He's a Werther's original.
Yeah.
He's a toffee fee. Are you a toffee fee?
Yeah, man.
Little nutty on the inside.
I'm that.
Little nutty on the inside, yeah? Little nutty on there, little.
And this and that, yeah.
Yeah. What are you trying to say? Like that you're a little bit crazy, yeah?
Yeah. But that's it, yeah.
Just calling a spade a spade. Do you know what I mean? It is what it is. Yeah. Spade is a spade, like. Do you know what I mean? But like, you know, it's been quite a good day today. People coming in and not coming in. Coming in when they want to, coming in when we're closed, and they know we close at 1, and they're coming in for 2. But at the minute, Lee's he's doing the duties of an owner of a business. Are you not, Lee? Lee?
Yeah, man, Fred.
He's acting like we don't have conversations every day.
We don't talk.
Yeah, why are you lying? Why? Oi! Lee! He prefers it when I call him like this. Lee! Oi, Lee! You alright, Lee? Lee, your son. How's it going? You alright, mate? Yeah, we saying. Good football, yeah? Get down the villa, Lee. Get down the villa. Get down the villa, Lee. Get down the villa. Oh, do you know what I mean? Anything you need, mate. Anything. Don't hesitate. Do you know what I mean? I've got your back. I'm going to France. I'm in Russia. Guess what my name is? They call me the barrister. You just soaked my trousers. I want your blood clot. Yo. He's now going to get a fucking cleaning bill.
Look, a bumblebee today, Fred.
I know, all bright. Why don't you ever wear bright tops?
Nah, man.
Why? It'll bring out the shine and shimmer in your hair.
Yeah, I know, Fred, man.
See, now, again, he's pretending like we don't have stupid conversations, and he's pretending to be all intelligent and posh and a Suttonite. You're not a Suttonite, you're a Sudanite. No, he's a member of the Sudanati. Lee?
It's not. Who's a Sudanite?
You?
What is it now? Does it mean?
I don't know, you tell me. Your people. Sudanati lives do not matter. I'm just saying. So, as you can see, Lee's working and I'm supervising. I like supervising. It's what you've got to do when your boss says, you know, we forgot to record this week's episode of Dun Dun Dun, The Gaff. Look at you trying not to laugh in the back. Lee.
Yeah. Yes,
Are
Fred.
you trying not to laugh?
Yeah.
Stop trying to hide behind my wig. Your head is way too big to hide behind this little baby wig.
You're done now, Fred.
I've mopped the front, yeah, I'm done.
No, it's not. You need sort of red back, Fred.
Lee's trying to make out that we are not crazy, but anybody who's been in this cafe when we've been here together knows the truth. Duncan, can you testify? Can I get a witness? What? I ain't got no witness. Anyway, this is just to let you know, we only did one episode. I still haven't edited it because I'm a busy bitch. I've got a wedding to sort out. I've got all dresses and shit to get together. I got 2 jobs. I still gotta be crazy. I gotta be the wife to be. Do you know what I mean? Taking care of my man, taking care of business. Lee?
Didn't you boys come to America all of a sudden?
Because I'm a real housewife. I'm a real housewife of Aston. Where are you from, sir? I'm from Aston. I'm a real housewife. He's gone. He's struggling. That doesn't... You need to... What are you doing? I gotta go because he seems to be trying to wreck the joint. But this was just to let you know that we're still thinking of y'all, our fans from the CAF. If you want to come down the cafe on Ryland Road in Sutton Coldfield, come down and see Lee. Give him loads of work to do in the middle of the week. You know, all y'all that are in, like, you know, live in the Suttonish, Erdington kind of area. Come down, Ryland Sports Cafe. You know. And if you're a pensioner, you know, if you're old people, you know, your old people, your mother and your old people, them. You come down for them, bring them down for Pension Tuesday. They get a 5-item breakfast for £3. I won't be here to serve them, but Lee loves running around and sweating his little bald Kojak off. So, Pension Tuesday, bring your mother, bring your nan, come on down. I feel violated. You look up. Anyway, so there's Pension Tuesday. And then just coming for the rest of the week, you might as well. And then on Saturdays, he has me here. Don't you, Lee?
What's that?
Saturdays are the best shift ever.
Yeah, live footage.
Saturdays are the best shifts because he has my fine self here to keep him amused. Ooh. Lee.
Yo.
Ooh.
Get down there.
See, I'm from America or Australia or New Zealand, and he's from Africa. He's one of them Wakandans. Wakanda forever. Wakanda. He's a... No, what did we call you the other week? You're not a Jamaican, you're Cuban. He's a West Indian, Spanish, Cuban, Jamaican, English, Scottish. He's a whole heap of mix up. He's like making a cake. Put it all in, stir it. Put it in the oven. Ping! Lee Romeilli, cooked. Anyway, I want to go home and I got things to do. I'm not having rice and peas today. Got chicken though. Anyway, peace out. Say peace out to your fans, Lee.
Peace.
He's acting like he don't like being on the screen, but you'll see later.